A cube has a volume of 12,167 cubic centimeter. Calculate the height of the cube and the area of one face of the cube. Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are trying to solve the height and area of cube. Let's start. Look, this is a cubic pattern. We know for a cube all sides are equal. It means if this one is A, this one is A, also this one is A. And first question, we have to find out the height of the cube. In this case, first we can write like this: given a cube volume, which we can denote it by V equals to 12,167 cubic centimeter. We can write like this: we know for a cube all sides are equal, right? Let the height which is the same as the length of each side which is BS. We know about volume where V equals to L times L means length times W, which is width, and height, all equal. So each thing we can express like S. So it will be S cube. So we can write like this: the volume of cube is given by V equal to S cube. So number A, where mentioned the height of the cube, we have to find out. In this case we can write: to find S, take the cube root of the volume. So we can write what? S cube equals to V, S equals to cubic root V. So cubic root, instead of V we can write 12,167, which is given, right? So once we make cubic root or calculating the cube root, we will get 23. So answer is 23 centimeter, which is, we can say, height or length or what? Width. Okay, so number 1 done. The answer is 23 what? Centimeter. Now number B. We can write in here the area of one face. So area of one face, it means this one, this one. So area of one face we can write, this is be the area of one face of the cube. Area, we know area means S square. So S means 23 and square. So answer is 529 centimeter square, and this is our answer. Very simple. So we get two answer. One is 23 centimeter, another one is 529 centimeter square. Okay, thank you very much being with me. This is very important math for IGCSE SAT or any kinds of competitive examination around the world. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and don't forget share with others. Thank you.